Hello viewer, if your RCS message not delivered, let's see how to fix RCS message delivered issue. Step 1. Sweep down your quick setting. Now click on your network. From here, please make sure your internet and Wi-Fi is connected. Step 2. Tap and hold on Google Message app. Click on I button. Now force stop the Google Message app from the lower right corner. Now scroll down. Go to Storage. Now clear cache data from the lower right corner. Now go back and follow the third step. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Google Message app. From here, update your Google Message app and download its latest version. So please follow these 3 steps to fix RCS messages not delivered.